If you're looking for sunglasses to protect your eyes from UV rays, and as you guys know, if you have glasses already, it gets really hard to wear sunglasses on top of your glasses. And majority of the glasses out there for sunglasses, there's not really, glasses out there that you can wear on top of it, but I got the solution for you guys. This one right over here, you could have fit over sunglasses, and best of all, it protects your eyes against UV rays as well too from the sun exposure. As you guys know, sun exposure is not good for your eyes, and this is the #1 solution right over here that we're going to do an unboxing and review on. And in this unboxing, we're going to show you guys what you get inside this package, and from there, we are also going to test this product out. So without going any further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so we have the package unboxed, and one thing I love about these sunglasses is that it comes with this beautiful cover to lock inside your sunglasses whenever you're not using it. And I love the fact that it's also magnetic, so when you close it, you hear that click and it's closed up like that. It looks absolutely beautiful. I love the quality of just the cover itself. Right over here, you can tell this is a high quality product, but let's go open this and show you guys what you get inside. And right over here are the sunglasses itself. I'm going to take this plastic cover off and show you guys more in depth of it. Okay, so here we have the sunglasses out of the package, and I do love how it looks absolutely high quality, but the best part of it, which I will show you guys, is that you can wear this on top of your glasses, that your existing prescription glasses like you saw in the video. I'm currently wearing glasses that are prescription, then I'm required to wear them, and this I can wear on top of it, which you're about to see. And right over here, you can see how beautiful it looks, and it also states that it is polarized, 100% UV blocking, glare eliminating as well too. So you can wear this also as well too at nights and pretty much during the daytime. If you're driving a bicycle, you can wear this. If you're driving a vehicle in the sunlight, driving a car, then you can wear this as well too. So you can do it for all purposes, sports, outdoors, for pretty much anything. But what we're gonna do now is that I'm gonna wear this on and show you guys a test fit. Okay, so here we are outside, and I'm test fitting and wearing these sunglasses. One thing I love absolutely about these sunglasses is that you cannot see them at all. You can see I'm wearing my existing sunglasses, which you see right over here. But as I wear this, you're not going to see anything. You can see how it's hidden. It looks really nice as well too. It aesthetically looks nice as well too. I absolutely would recommend this product because of the fact that it's a fit over sunglasses that you can wear on top of your prescription glasses, and it has UV protection rays and a glare resistant as well too when you're driving at night. As you guys know, when you're driving at night, there's headlights and cars passing by. It'll help with that as well too. And yeah, I would definitely recommend these fit over sunglasses if you're looking for sunglasses to pretty much wear for outdoors, driving, baseball, all types of sports, and you're looking for UV protection rays. Then I would definitely recommend these sunglasses, and yeah, I would definitely recommend it.